Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a bath bomb demo from Soak, Fizz, and Bubbles. And this is their Groovy Cupcake. I've posted several demos from this company in the past and I love their bath bombs. Now nothing's hidden inside. I know I do a lot of demos of those types of bath bombs, but these are just all around incredibly well made, beautiful, colorful. I just love them and they smell so good. This one had fragrance notes of strawberry milkshake with vanilla and peach. To me, it just smelled like a cupcake, and you could just tell they really take their time to paint them and decorate them, and they constantly have different new bath bombs on their website. Since I'm recording this a couple weeks before Halloween, I went to their website to see what kind of seasonal stuff they had. I was so heartbroken. So sometimes they get so many orders that they turn their website off so that they can catch up. That way people aren't ordering while they're trying to backfill stuff, which I guess is nice that they take that into consideration, you know. But at the same time, it makes me sad because I want to see what's on their website, even if it's sold out and I can't order it. Because I bet they had some really cool Halloween ones and I completely forgot to look. I will try to keep a lookout to see if they do any Christmas ones, just because their bath bombs are so awesome. I really do like them, and I have their link below in case you want to see if they're available at the time you're watching this video. But they are very vibrant, and when you pick them up, you can often see what I call like pockets of color in there. Oftentimes what the bath bomb looks like on the outside is not the actual color that's hidden inside, so it's kind of fun. And usually the colors mix together to make a pretty water. This one was like a little murky purple. Normally it's not like that. And sorry for the boat that keeps swimming in the background. This is one of the days that Raylan was throwing her toys in the tub. But this lasted a really long time, and there's little pockets of like a yellow golden color that kept coming out. But yeah, highly recommend them. And if you want to see any demos from other companies, please leave them in the comments below, and I will check them out. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.